Renovating a Route 66 motel preserves an iconic history for future generations. Many Route 66 motels are historic landmark properties. I think many guests do come here because they're traveling the historic route. This property in particular, I think, has had a history of maybe an infamous history, but now that it's been revived and we have people who have returned, who have maybe stayed here in a previous decade, they certainly are impressed. The Albuquerque Motel has a southwestern feel. That was the idea of that property, was like a different idea of the American Southwest. For the Monterey Motel, being the same age, they decided to take a more modern approach to the facade and to the design there. A Route 66 motel represents an iconic era in American tourism and history, and renovating a Route 66 motel helps to preserve that history.